Hello, then today we are now done for the math. So we are gonna English. There's only one in English, so let's go, cell phone. What name is that cell phone? It is sand. Disgusting. Okay, hurry up, cell phone. Okay, let's now start. Start game. My gun is 80. Again. Which sentence is correct? There are one boy playing. There is one boy playing. Submit. Correct. Oh, my she's singing. Front of the girl is nice. Or submit. The old people are playing. Next, 30%. Extended scale. Grandparents are right. They are running. What is that? We are playing. We is playing. The boy is swimming. He is roller skating. I'm a smart kid. Look at me. Did you see me, right? The boys are playing football. There is two. What's that? So funny. Okay, now we're done at the math, but this is the end of the video. If you want to watch more of my videos, you just need to click in my bio link. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to like and subscribe in the math. I forgot to say. And bye-bye.